Hello, привет, and welcome back to our Russian language series. If you followed the first 4 lessons, you built a strong foundation. Now, in lesson 5, we are ready to tackle some essential elements that will make you sound much more natural. And so, let's go. Давай. Today, we'll speak about professions. The names of some professions sometimes change gender. For foreign words do not. Director, director is director. He is director on director. On director, and that O became A. He is a or the director. She is director. Она директор. She is the director. Журналист. Is a profession, can be masculine. He is journalist. Он журналист. He is and this is masculine version. We have the feminine version. She is journalist. Она журналистка. And so you see, we added the ending ka. She is journalist. Он журналист. He is journalist. Она журналистка. She is journalist. What is the difference? Only the ending ka. Only few professions in Russian have a gender. For example, the masculine спортсмен, and sport or athlete. He is a sportsman. On, and it's finished in N, so it's consonant, and so it's masculine. Она, do you know, it will be finished in K. Спортсменка. It will be added K. She is sport woman, sport girl, or something like this. And so the ending K is for feminine. And some words profession like артистка, студентка, официантка, артистка, she's an artist. Of course, if I want to say in masculine version, artist, he's artist, like this. He is an artist. She, она артистка. Она студентка. Он студент. Она, O became A, it's pronounced A, официантка. Waitress. Она артистка. Она студентка. Она официантка, a waitress. But there is some profession like директор, кассир, professor. Okay, director we just saw. Кассир, cashier. Он кассир, она кассир. Он, она. Доктор, кассир. And we have a teacher. Он, учитель. He is a teacher. Она учительница. Она учительница. She is a teacher. So, I am, я учительница. He is a teacher, он учитель. Она учительница. In my case, I am a feminine. So, я учительница. Of course, you can put your surname, your pronoun like я. And if you're feminine, put some profession in feminine version. Otherwise, in masculine if you are man, of course. Let's finish studying the last letters of Russian alphabet. So we have strange letter yo with 2 dots on the top. Has 2 dots. It is pronounced like the yo in yogurt. Yo, like in yogurt. In written Russian, the dots are often omitted. So sometimes you can read the yo without to see also without the dots. But the stress is always on the syllable and yo is always stressed. Without the dots, the meaning of the word can change. The letter is relatively recent. The first printed use in yo appeared in 1797 in essay by Karamzin as a way to simplify pronunciation. Всё. Everything. Всё. Все without dots. Everyone. So, всё, everything. Все without dots. Everyone. Всё хорошо. Everything is okay. Everything is good. Все хорошо. Everything is okay. Another letter. Y is an consonant and call it short E. Because it's Y. With that point, Y. So you need to pronounce E, but short version. Y. It sounds like Y in yes. It usually does not occur at the beginning of the words, except in some foreign loanwords, for example, yogurt, and yogurt, and so, or yod, yodium. If you will turn upside the letter P, so write like this, and add a tail, you get the letter ts, which is pronounced ts, like in pizza. Ts. Полиция. Police. Tsar. The famous Tsar is in king in empire. And you can put double letter like this with double P upside down, or the letter sh we learned before with tail, and we'll get another letter sh, very soft. Respect the sh. Sh. Shika. Cheek. Sh. Okay, for today I think it's enough. So don't miss the next lesson. Put the like for this lesson, write something on the comments, subscribe, put the bell, and see you next time. Пока-пока.